Hi everybody, welcome back to video number 2 for Thursday, April the 1st. What I'd like to do with this particular video, everybody, is I want to draw your attention, please, to page 173 in your textbook, and this is in reference to chapter 5. And this particular section deals with proofreading, everybody. I just so want to make sure that you understand the importance of proofreading your documents before you send them, before you submit them for marks. So I want to make sure that we're all on the same page when we're talking about proofreading, everybody. So it's important, and I'm taking this right from the textbook, it's important to get into the habit, everybody, of proofreading your messages and your documents before sending them. So how to be effective at proofreading? What do we need to do, everybody? You need to, A, reduce your reading speed. B, read word for word. C, gain the objectivity you need to spot errors before they cause you embarrassment. Okay, the point of this whole thing, everybody, is for you to be able to reread what it is you've composed, be objective, okay, and make sure that the message that you are sending is in fact correct. And I'm talking about accuracy of names, facts, figures, double checking important facts for accuracy, okay, eliminate all of these typo errors that you get, okay. You really need to make sure you've got a handle on this, everybody. You want to make sure that the format that you're using is appropriate. You want to make sure that you correct any sort of grammar or spelling mistakes, and you want to make sure that you've got correct punctuation throughout your message that you're sending. Now, I've just picked out one resume 2 from the pile that I had. I'm looking at it. Clearly, this individual should have proofread their document. We've got some formatting issues. The email address isn't where it should be. The letter format isn't correct. Okay. We've got some spelling and grammatical errors that could have been caught with a simple proofread of the document before it was sent in for marking. Okay, so we need to make sure that we get a handle on this, everybody, because in your professional life, in some capacity, you are going to have to put together some kind of document and send it out. Okay, and so to eliminate any kind of embarrassment to yourself or to the organization that you work for, you want to make sure that the document that you're sending out is grammatically correct, has no formatting issues on it, and when the person takes a look at it, they understand exactly what it is you are trying to say in the message that you have sent. So again, what I've had decided to do, everybody, to make sure that we get on the right path with this is that I have uploaded into Blackboard 5 separate pages. Okay, they will come together, but they're 5 separate documents. And what you are tasked to do is to find at least one grammatical, spelling, punctuation, or formatting issue within that document. If you can find me at least one per page and it is correct, you've got the opportunity to bolster your resume number 2 assignment by a possible 5 additional marks. Okay, so this is huge, everybody. And if you were one of those ones that was concerned about your resume number 2 mark and want the opportunity to increase your mark, this is your opportunity, everybody. So what you need to do, and what I've always suggested when you are proofreading something, is you want to eliminate any sort of distractions that you may have. So that's your phone, that's your tablet, okay, any sort of distraction like that. You want to maybe move it into a different room, turn it off, do whatever you need to do. You want to make sure that you have a quiet space. And it has been suggested in my proofreading course that you take a ruler and you go line by line, everybody, okay, and you go through them, talk out loud, read out loud, whatever it is you need to do, and to spot those errors. So there are 5 pages coming your way that will be available in Blackboard. probably right underneath this video link. You need to find at least one. Okay, there are more than one. I'm just tasking you with finding one. If you can find me one grammatical slash spelling slash formatting error per page, okay, and they are correct, you've got the opportunity to get an additional 5 marks towards your resume number 2 assignment. If you can only find 3 in those 5 pages, then, and they're correct, then you've got that opportunity for an additional 3 marks. Okay, so I am going to task you with that over the weekend. If you are looking for those additional marks, you need to have that back to me by Tuesday, April the 6th. Okay, and that is the same day that your video presentation is due, pardon me. So you've got a little bit of homework to do over the weekend if you haven't already started your video presentation, okay? You need to get busy on that and also do this proofreading little exercise that I've put together for you, okay? So make sure you understand the value of proofreading, everybody. Why do we do it? Okay, if you were to submit some of these resumes to a potential employer, I think that, you know, some of them may not get very far due to the visible errors that are in these documents. So take the time, everybody, look at these documents, find me the errors, and have the opportunity to increase your resume number 2 mark. Okay, so I will leave that with you, everybody. I do hope that you have a nice long weekend. I understand the weather is supposed to be nice. It was a little breezy out there this afternoon, but hopefully that'll subside for the weekend. And we will all be back here next week, everybody. So take care and keep an eye on your emails in case I need to send you anything in regards to next week's layout. So I will talk to you all later. Have a great Easter long weekend, and we will talk soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.